Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. You need to begin by opening two of your apps in the background that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store and Chrome. Now, to access running apps, if you are using Tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Then click on the icon of an app that you want to use on the top half of your screen. Select Split Top and tap on the other one. As you can see, after that, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!